miles to count. We're talking all the
If I just
layers
shot you,
of
though, you're
like
dead.
sweaters, jeans, tees, and socks. Don't forget the socks. But the deals only
Dead
last
dogs
through
don't
Monday,
move.
so hurry in for this weekend's best
Dead
shopping
dogs don't
extravaganza.
move.
Valid 11/9
Dead dogs don't sniff.
Members of the
Dead dogs don't sniff.
Crown Nissan, Crown Toyota Scion, Crown Mazda,
Okay.
Crown
Okay.
Winnipeg Honda,
Break!
and Crown
Break! You can get up, monkey. What were you sniffing over there? Come here. Here's Cookie.
would like to take this opportunity
Come here. Let's do it again. Bang, bang. On your side. Well, that's not on your side. Did you die like that? Did you die like that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
forget the sacrifices members of our own community have made
Good boy.
and continue to make every day. Please take time today and remember them in
Good
some
boy.
way. Thank you. From Crown Acura, Crown Nissan, Crown Toyota
Okay.
Scion, Winnipeg
Hey, boy. Okay, one more.
Supercenter, all
Outlaw.
Waverly Auto Mall at Bishop
What is over there that's so interesting? Okay, go check it out.
Crown Mazda 3690
Come back here.
Page Avenue. All
Outlaw.
closed today to commemorate the Remembrance Day, but will open for business as
Come
usual
here.
again
Hey.
tomorrow.
Bang, bang. On your side. I just shot you. You should be dead. You don't look like a dead dog. Break! Yay! What a good boy! Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where is it? Oh my god, I don't know what I did with it. Where's your ball? Ready? Ready? Go get your ball.